What's up, guys? Thought I'd show you a video because we're supposed to get a snowstorm due in. Second one of the season. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. But, I gotta post one now. And we're done. They're damn crazy. It's officially winter, so. I mean, you can see cloud just starting to darken. And, this is gonna be a hot mess, probably. Usually they just make it a big deal and everything like that, but I don't know, I guess we'll see what happens, and I'll definitely let you guys know, and if there's definitely a snowstorm, I'll definitely be posting it. But like I said, sorry that I haven't been posting a lot of videos, just haven't been really having time or nothing like that. So, but, yeah, so, I really hate winter. Post in the comments if you guys hate winter. I kind of miss the hot weather. Well, not too hot, but the warm weather. That's about 4 months away, so that's great. Sorry about the noise in the background. Apparently I can't hold on to my damn phone. But yeah, like I said, we'll see what happens. I mean, there's still snow on the ground from the last storm we had. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.